Welcome to our tutorial on preventing viewers from rewinding your live video on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open the Facebook app on your Android device and navigate to the What's on Your Mind section to create a new post. Tap on Live Video to begin setting up your live video broadcast on Facebook. Once you're ready, tap Go Live to start your live video stream. During your live broadcast, tap the three lines located at the bottom right of the screen. Next, select Advanced Settings from the menu options. Within the Advanced Settings, locate the option to turn off Allow Viewers to Rewind and toggle the setting to prevent viewers from rewinding your live video. By disabling this feature, viewers will no longer have the ability to rewind and rewatch parts of your live video stream. Thank you for watching. We trust this guide has been informative on how to control viewer interaction by preventing them from rewinding your live video on Facebook.